बकरी होती है ना पश्मीना,
बकरी को उनको पश्मीना।
Hey guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome back to my channel. So today is the last evening in Leh and आज 15th of August है. We spent our morning in the polo grounds because we were invited for the Independence Day celebration.
की भावना का आह्वान करना है। जी हाँ, माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति जी का स्वागत करते हुए अहमद आज के इस साल के समारोह में कोविड महामारी के इस अंतराल के बाद हम आपको लेकर चलना चाहेंगे हिमाचल की ओर। लद्दाख और हिमाचल का सांस्कृतिक कहे या ऐतिहासिक रिश्ता सदियों से बहुत गहरा रहा है।
Such a lovely experience after so many years. The memories of singing our national anthem and seeing the tricolor, the way you see in such celebrations came in front of me, and it was just really nostalgic. काफी बचपन की याद आ गई. The view and the decoration of the polo ground were really amazing. Uske baad we went shopping, and luckily for us today was the last day of a handloom mela that was there in the market in Leh. So we had a one-on-one interaction with a lot of artisans. I particularly was interested in pabu, which is a kind of shoe the Ladakhi people wear. ये ले ली अदरन अरुद्र के लिए। देखो दिस इज सो क्यूट। ये चीज चुभेगी नहीं पैरों में। वाओ सो प्रीटी। ये hand painted है। Imagine hand rolled. This must be super expensive.
ये पश्मीना है।
Some facts about pashmina. Pashmina and Kashmir is the same thing. Kashmir is just the name for pashmina, which is more popular amongst the Westerners. And the second thing which was quite surprising for me was that ज़्यादातर जो wool होता है which we buy is a sheep wool, and pashmina is derived from the hair of a goat, a particular breed of goat which is found in the Changthang plateau. Essentially the plateau is in Ladakh area, and Ladakh ka pashmina, that is why is the most authentic and most popular pashmina. And this one is for how much? 12,000. And this one?
6,500.
6,500.
दोनों हैंडमेड है।
Handmade है ना?
ये बाय वेट मैडम ये ज्यादा है ना, इसमें पश्मीना ज्यादा है।
Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. I like the thicker one, but it's brass and copper. ये चांग डिकैंटर हो गया ना? ये याक एंड शीप का मिक्स है।
जी जी।
So
7-8 दिन तक मिलेगा।
उसके बाद हम लोगों ने लंच किया. Lunch was lovely in the Tibetan Kitchen, which is a very popular restaurant here. बस उसके बाद हम लोग अब यहाँ आ गए हैं चुल्ली बाग में. दिस इज़ आवर लास्ट नाइट. तो इसके पहले जो मैंने आपको टूर दिया था वो था आउट हाउस ऑफ द रॉयल पैलेस का. एंड क्योंकि अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं थी रॉयल पैलेस में एंड चुल्ली बाग में, वी रियली वांटेड टू स्टे, वी वर पुट देयर, व्हिच वाज frankly a beautiful experience and I really loved it there. But last night we got lucky and एक विला यहाँ पे खाली हो गया चुल्ली बाग में. चुल्ली मीन्स एप्रिकॉट एंड यहाँ पे एप्रिकॉट के बहुत सारे पेड़ हैं. So this is the garden, big gardens. This is the entrance. We have a beautiful lounging area and the ceiling and the roshandan here too for lovely natural light. A tandoor, a kitchenette in case you want to cook. That's your bed. I love the white sheet. Nice windows. The natural light here as well. And the ceiling. Really pretty and rustic. And this is the loo. Super modern. The shower area. So yes, this is the villa tour. आते वक्त हम लोगों को दो फ्रेंड्स लड़कियां मिली हूँ वो hitchhiking and they are here to hike to Somori. They have joined us for evening tea. We invited them over. So I'm heading to the restaurant here and I will see you later. Hey guys, so I wanted to share with you all the shopping that I did today. Usually what happens is I decide to go back home and shoot videos where I share with you the shopping details. Like for Kashmir I wanted to do that, but वो हो नहीं पाता है because half the things are gone as gifts and जो भी थोड़ी बहुत रह जाती है, then they're too little to shoot a complete video. So I thought let me just shoot that video right away in this beautiful villa. So I bought these hand knitted headbands which are very comfortable, like for right now because they cover your ears perfectly, and I got this for 100 rupees. I got two of them, one more in black, an awesome color because it will go with everything that you wear, and this also is for 100 rupees. Then I was dying to see Pabu. Pabu is the traditional shoe that the Ladakhis wear, and बहुत ही खूबसूरत होता है. उसका टाई एंड डाई का वूल मटेरियल होता है जो खुद ही टाई एंड डाई करते हैं, बनाते हैं एंड उसको फिर सिलते हैं, एंड इट्स जस्ट रियली प्रिटी. बट आई डिडंट गेट माय साइज in the shops that I went to today, but I did get this alternate which is not really babu, but it is also a handmade woolen slipper for home use, and I really love them. They were so comfortable and they were so cute, and I got them for I think 700 or 800 rupees. So yeah, this was something which I really liked and I'm glad that I bought it. Now, like I was telling you guys about Babu, so this is what Babu looks like. So these are super cute. They have leather sole and they have these this kapra, wool kapra, like they make it look like a boot. They also have Babus which are without this, so they just look like jutis but with a curved front. And this is what I was saying is handmade. The tie and dye, and this is all handmade. This for my niece, and I hope this fits her and I hope she likes it. And even if she does not like it, this can really go beautifully as a decor item. And this also is a decorative babu which I got for myself for home, and this has some embroidery as well happening. Crocheted knitted socks I bought for my nephew. They're really soft and I really like them, so I thought I'll buy, and I got myself a scrunchie. You can never have enough clips in general, and this was really cute. I got it for 50 bucks. And then a friend of ours, a localite who took us to these stores, got us the apricot jam which is handmade, and I can't wait to try it once I'm home. I also got a pashmina, a beautiful shawl. It's just so soft. And the last thing that I bought from that very shop is wool, because my mom-in-law loves knitting sweaters. Handmade wool. I don't know if it's hand rolled or not, but yeah. So while I was packing, I realized that I forgot to include this item. Beautiful shawl made of sheep wool. I really like this detailing here, and it's a simple grey. I love it, with a bright rust as border, and it can go beautifully in winters with your jeans and overcoat or anything you're wearing. I think it's very easy to style it. And yes, So let me complete my packing. Trying to fit everything in one bag is a major skill of organizing, which I absolutely love, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll see you in Delhi now.